Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are living in a tiny studio apartment, hitting the road in an RV, or you just need an extra set of burners for those big holiday meals, you have probably struggled with finding a cooktop that is both powerful and versatile. Today, we are looking at the ANHANE double electric burner. This is a 2,200-watt portable hot plate that promises to bridge the gap between heavy-duty stovetops and compact convenience. Let us start with the performance. The ANHANE utilizes infrared technology to deliver 1,100 watts of power to each burner. What makes this significant is the efficiency. Many portable options take forever to get a pot of water to a boil, but this unit is designed to handle that task with impressive speed. The heating is consistent, and because it uses ceramic infrared tech, you get a clean heat source without the open flames of a gas stove. The biggest advantage here is compatibility. A lot of people are forced into buying induction cooktops, which then requires them to replace all their pots and pans because they only work with magnetic steel. The ANHANE is completely different. Because it uses a ceramic glass top, it works with absolutely everything. If you have cast iron, copper, stainless steel, or even ceramic pots, they will work perfectly on this unit. It removes that extra barrier to entry for someone just looking for a simple cooking solution. Now, let us talk about the controls. In a world where everything is moving toward touchscreens that are often unresponsive or hard to use with wet hands, I am genuinely happy to see that ANHANE stuck with physical knob controls. You get 9 distinct power levels for precise heat management, and the addition of a 99-minute timer is a huge win for safety. It gives you peace of mind if you are simmering a sauce or boiling pasta, as you do not have to hover over the stove to make sure you do not burn anything. The build quality is another highlight. It uses a high-strength crystallite glass that is shatterproof and looks very professional. It feels solid on the counter, and the non-slip feet ensure it stays in place while you are stirring or flipping food. When it comes time to clean up, the flat surface is a dream. You just wipe it down with a damp cloth or a standard ceramic cleaning cream, and it looks brand new again. However, no product is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that because this is an infrared burner, the glass top does get very hot during use and retains that heat for a while after you turn it off. You need to be mindful of that safety aspect compared to an induction burner which stays cooler. Also, while it is portable, you do need to make sure your counter space can handle a unit of this width, as it is a double burner setup. In conclusion, the ANHANE double electric burner is a fantastic workhorse for small kitchens. It is reliable, it is easy to use, and the fact that it accepts any cookware makes it one of the most versatile portable burners I have tested. If you need a secondary cooking station that does not compromise on power or functionality, this is a solid investment. You can find more information about this product and current pricing by following the link in the description.